Hi everyone, today I'll be making this cute daisy flower. It's super easy and beginner friendly. To start, we're going to make a magic ring and then chain 3. From there, we're going to do 16 double crochets inside the magic ring. For a tutorial on some of the basic stitches that I use in my patterns, please see the video link included in the description below. Now I'm going to speed up the video and complete the double crochets, and then I'll meet you right after to continue with the petals. I have now finished with all the double crochets. I'll pull gently the tail in order to close the magic ring, and then I'll do a slip stitch into that chain 3 that we did in the beginning after we made the magic ring. Now get rid of the tail in the back by hiding it into the back of the double crochets that we just did. This way it's not on my way while I'm crocheting the rest. Let's cut the extra yarn. And then we'll begin making the white petals by adding the white color. Let's insert the hook into the first yellow chain and then pull the white yarn through. And from here we're going to make 15 chains. Once we finish with the 15 chains, we're going to do a slip stitch into the next yellow chain. And then we'll continue this pattern until we go all the way around the circle. And I'll speed up again the video and I'll meet you at the end. If you're interested in more crochet patterns, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and comment this video. Also, if you would like to get the materials that I'm using in this video, the type of yarn, the crochet hooks and needles, I'll leave links to those below. I have now finished all the petals. Let's pull this yarn out from the last chain, cut it, and hide the tail end in the back. As you can see, the petals are a bit wrinkled, so I'll have to straighten them out a little bit. What I like to do in these kind of patterns is spray the crochet design with a little bit of a fabric hardener. I'll leave a link to the one I used down below. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.